So welcome back. You're still tuning into Timeline Radio Sports.
Ulato Sports.
Yes. So this is one of our special edition, World Cup edition. Um, yeah, I mean this is part two. So can we just continue?
Please.
Okay. So so this topic is about Maradona views on football. So Maradona once said, Americans don't have the same passion for football. They would even change the game to fit more adverts. So this was one of his words during his time as a second. And currently there've been news about the way World Cup iranwa ngakhona right now. I think Chico, you can elaborate on that.
Yeah, actually, what's happening? I think we spoke about it off air. Nabuta Kausa Babuti.
Yes.
One, there's a lot of hydration break. Yabo. I think this first time ever never called a World Cup. Still we born. And now, whatever that's happening now, Maradona in 2018, he did say we would see, because I think by that time, sure, Beselas would World Cup, it's going to the US. It's a would see America. I'm a capitalist America, we all know.
Maradona is the Argentina.
Yeah, but he died.
Brazil or Brazil?
Argentina, yeah.
Oshone 2018.
I don't know Shoni, but Shoni. Yeah,
Not 19 something.
Yeah. So
okay.
no, I was Shoni man.
Okay.
So now he said that and it's in 2018.
Yeah.
So right now, and would say bazodlala America abancane ukudlala ama match 25 minutes but 30 break.
Kube
25
nama-adverts.
minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, well, and that's what's happening now. The hydration break now, because I think Adidas they are the one actually who paid for the airtime. Because I'm gonna ads up money. The Adidas and them, I think as well I'm official sponsors if I'm not mistaken. Adidas. And another thing, funny thing, Adidas is sponsor Rumes, but as a collab. I'm just saying, with in this case, Maradona was right. Because Tama Kulmanga in 2018 we didn't think would see it happening, and he's no longer here. And Sebona. Yeah, and like, if you're watching those games, Maga hydration break, the fans are quite if you listen. But not to boo. Every time we get hydration break, my fans buy boo because they don't want it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so sing as good see. I temperature, I weather, yeah, bo injani.
think it's
But also
that
it makes
hard.
sense because Kumbulatina lab some bazile bring wins and each one ngapha. So as I see in assembly now it's time level both sides. Maybe yeah, shoots I've never been there before.
But I don't think it's like Ivory Coast during AFCON, Lebe Econ. I don't think
It's in a way black people, chief.
Yeah, no.
It's different.
I doubt that it's that hot, which is not a hydration.
But play Nila, ne?
It's part and parcel of it.
Yeah.
You're gonna sell more water, and in the 23rd minute, where hydration take, where will you go? You will sit and watch, and those adverts are clearly made to capture abantu ukuthi babone the product that they are selling. You understand? So now, we find ourselves in that situation that was called by the legend. May his soul rest in peace. It's like he was prophesying. Maybe he was given a scoop before time. Uguti, that's what they are planning on doing. And if you check, Uguti, in terms of revenue, this World Cup, it's I got paid, but it's rated as one of the most lucrative World Cups ever. And it's still ongoing.
Yeah.
They've already made more money than any other World Cup that has been hosted. So you can understand how much revenue was put into all those hydration breaks so that people can be able to sell their products. Because the map advertising port as a stadium, the ball moves too quick sometimes. Abanye abantu ba advertising lapho, but
Yes.
when you make an ad break is about 2-3 minutes, it captures people. Understand that. So exactly. So Maradona called it, and we sing it.
So, Stumta, don't you think the football ilahleke like the identity.
No, but it's
yakhona.
America kuphela, so we can.
Yeah, it does. It does.
I don't think
Ilahlekelwa
it's
identity.
because I need to. Yeah, I'm asking him because he's one person who shall complain about the VAR because I think they are.
Yeah, but I wanted to go there. I wanted to go there. Ilahlekelwa identity because of now. Awusena le nto le. Awusena like the feeling, the adrenaline le yebhola man.
Yeah.
When you are watching soccer, currently like manje VAR iyenza umsebenzi wayo half. Khona izinto ezinga reviewer, khona izinto ezireviewayo kuya ngokuthi ubani. So identity yebhola iyaphela since it clearly shows ukuthi khona izinto ezithengwayo. Then I think that's why badinga lama advert ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bafande whatever things like lesa bazithengayo because of like seriously like the causa man, it's not even interesting anymore ukubukela ibhola. Yazi like uzoya ureferee thengiwe, we understand ukuthi ureferee thengiwe manje une VAR but still ureferee wenza i-decision wrong. It doesn't make sense. What is the purpose of VAR? Because of those people that are there bakhona for ukubona ukuthi like kwenzakala. Have you ever seen ama angles because of VAR or ama angles nje lama line lawa khona ascrom all the time iline akhona kumele ivele kanje but labantu laba bana i-Super Sports was saying in how many cameras stadium boma 20 something 23 21 cameras but uhluleka ukuthola iline ekwazi ukutholwa uChico abhekelele ngefoni yakhe engaka. It doesn't make sense. We're losing it, guys.
And on that, we might say Uguti it's only happening America. But some of these implementations happen after the World Cup. I think another thing layer my substitution I5. It happened after the World Cup.
Yeah.
It's now allowed to make 5 subs in a game. And it was implemented after the World Cup. So now we might just say maybe in America we will find ourselves in South Africa's bugeli PSL to and find what is just nama hydration break we understand. So some of the things they might start looking at it's a once-off thing. Once people see it's making money. Remember as nama league now broadcasters also want to make money. So if sizofika nathi laphana sithi sifuna ukupromote a-timeline radio yethu during a derby and then we offering this much, the chances are that they'll never say no. So you don't know how much you're gonna have to part with ukuthi uyenze into leyo ukuthi iyenzeke la South Africa that is currently happening in America.
Yeah. Do you have anything to add, Stumza?
I know it's fine. Abaqhubeke balithengise. It's like anyway kuyafana man. Ibhola akusaseli
and there's Tumsan, I'm hoping ukuthi we never get VAR. PSL.
I've been saying that.
You know, I hope we never get that.
I've been saying
that thing, Leana. It spoils the game, man. It spoils the game. The football we know it to be. Ama talking points comes from mistakes. Yeah. All those things. So now corrections while the game is live.
Perfection.
The reasons about Professor they were famous back then. Soccer zone they'll sit there and critique. This was supposed to be a penalty. This was supposed to be an offside. This was not an offside. That's what makes football. That's what makes conversation of football going. So this thing, I'm not a fan of it. I really don't. And I hope Isafa whatever I phone this thing.
Uma bahambe mara ngithi yena ubhizi uthi uyayifuna into VAR and like also it clearly shows now ukuthi sesiya actor now because remember after you have scored the causa like that excitement we are celebrate mawuqeda ukucelebrate akumele kumiwe kuyo check ukuthi was it a foul, was it offside, was it what, and then so celebrate after lapho because already that thing that momentum there seyiphelile man so kusazomela ugijima ujump udlula istadium hambe uyojika lena total bese uyabuya. It doesn't make sense, guys.
So according to you guys the akumelanga ukuthi kube ne improvement for a game, like when it comes to football?
I improve still.
No, yes, I think Yonkinto has the advantages and the disadvantages. Like some benefit, some non-benefit from it. But I think maybe Uguba Konagwayo, it was part of Kula, King football or sport or whatever. But now because of the negative or the after effects of now, it's like it spoiled the game that we normally know or we watch. But if maybe ninga ifun ngalendlela, do it like we sport should just stay the way is into corner like football.
For me, football should remain football. It should remain pure. It should remain a nama human error in football. It's not rugby lapana mam. It's not cricket lapana the ball really touched the bat. It's not that. It's football. If sifuna we improve, maybe we must add the nabolize me. Or seven abo revra two. Or revro or rever ngabule have no revro. Like let it be a human error. Because I think maybe football has become so quick that referees are unable to keep up the pace of ball because of ukumbula ama referee umuntu travel bus during the week and then he gets called up to officiate a PSL match. Maybe let's say sifuna improve ibhola yethu kangaka tumsane bane half yakho ngizobane half yami. Let's see ukuthi we can minimize ama mistake ukuthi
but we can't be having that because the technology is also improving on the other side. So that's why we will have, I do understand you, but that's why we will have is engaging above VAR. As much as they don't do the work for now, but I don't know. It's debatable.
Goal line technology.
Yes.
It was because out of the blue, Umusi Ajau decides ukore bola from a center, and then it ricochets off the crossbar, and then we don't know whether it crossed the line or it didn't because all linesmen couldn't keep up. Ngale shot so he was not on the line ukuthi bola crossing ngapha or ngapha. You understand? That's why they introduced goal line technology for such things ukuthi babe sure ukuthi a bola cross the line. I mean, South Africa can't jump from not having a goal line technology to having a VAR. You understand? We don't have goal line technology and it's been implemented ages ago. So if us is a corner ganjani ukuthi see utilize it to its fullest. You understand? So for now let's allow humans to make errors in football. It's a human sport.
But yes, Jim, don't you think maybe let's say whatever intenifisa yenze like it should team with us as South Africans when it comes to keeping up with the standard or moving because if we are first now some of the teams bayayo like kuma club World Cups or whatever tournaments are like bahlangabezana nazo
sizothola lapho.
Yeah,
but it does affect them.
I don't think it affects kangako like EVAR bekhona kwi AFCON. We've seen abantu babamba amabhola ngezandla knowing ukuthi VAR khona. So that means immediately mawuse grounding then you switch off kuzinto ezenzeka ngaphandle focus akunto eyenzeka grounding. So that's what we want. Sifuna ukuthi ama player mawungena grounding angena ayodlala ibhola not ukuthi angena ukuthi bayofuna perfection lapha because of now ucabanga umuntu uyakushiya ucabanga ukumbamba ucabanga ukuthi bazothi kune VAR now. So awusadlali like a wholehearted okusalele muva. Remember the problem that we are having tina more especially as South Africans, we are having a problem yokuthi we siyamawana be. So now we wanna twist everything. Ipola lemnandi ngama era wakhona lemnandi ngalanto lokuthi we still have to argue even today ukuthi Pirates bought the league. Still have to argue that. So if manje sokuzoveza kuyovela ama statement akanto akinkoza ukuthi nayi 15 ihambile yako obizenzakala already it's proven. We are no longer arguing now. So kune proof manje. So that we don't want that. Man, let's not senze lento lena ibe perfect. No. Ayqhubeke kube entertainment kudlalwe kube nama era kube nanani the highest bidder uzoyithenga njenge Pirates sibone iqhubeke phambili.
Moving on
Thank you.
to our to one of our topic. It's about the Morocco World Cup identity. So Mohamed Barad,
The sports
um,
minister.
yes, said Morocco is at the World Cup to represent Morocco
Yeah.
and not Africa.
Yazi ngithandani? Ngithanda ukuthi if bangathi Morocco win World Cup manje, bazothi the first what?
African
African team. So uyathanda akathandi use Africa.
No, but bazo celebrate nobani.
Okay,
because
wait.
we were not gonna celebrate with
It's
them.
fine when we celebrate, right?
Mhm.
But kuma record ati Morocco yase Africa. Ya win league. Ya win World Cup.
Those guys, they
They
hate.
hate being
They
African.
hate being black.
I-
The more uzonda ukuba yiAfrica yazi kufana nokuba umntwana okhulele emzini ohluphekayo and the next door ba rich noma ungathanda kangakanani kuba umntwana se next door awusumntwana se next door noma bangakuthengela impahla next door awusowa se next door. The fact remains ukuthi ba la eAfrica and Africa is going to be lapho emaphini. Whatever that they did, they were counted as an African team. Efike la efika khona, the way ba performa ngakhona, they will be counted as an African team futhi efike lapho. So whether bayathanda or abathanda, they can't call the shots on that. Unfortunately they can't. Up until kufika lelanga lele bathi baya move baya ngale bese bayo treatwa njengama stepchild.
And those guys, they hate, being Africans. And we once spoke about it on a pod, remember? What's born geographical, they are Africans, But I don't think they see themselves as Africans. And Futi, they can be bold and out, this is what we stand for. Hey, it's scary, man,
But do you
It's-
think? Oh, no, I just wanted to understand. Does it have anything to do with a race? Maybe
Yeah.
they don't wanna be,
It's everything
or
to
it's
do with
because
race, yeah.
they're not black. Oh shit.
Let me tell you something. Then, even like South Africa, then sometimes the makala don't behave funny. I'm just being honest, And those are close to being black, But sometimes if you can go to a community where it's colored only, also feel I think they will make sure what you feel. You understand? So how about I'm Arabs? It's even worse because those are Arabs. I'm Morocco. You understand? So it's a race thing. It's a race thing. Where I was not from the I think it's just a race thing.
So yeah, no.
Mina, I beg to differ, not in a sense of what I don't see race playing a role, but what the minister said, Lapano Kulumikineso,
Okay.
they are there to represent Morocco. We all had a chance to represent ourselves at the World Cup. Unfortunately, others couldn't buy, and some came back early. It's like
That is true.
it's like saying Mamelodi Sundowns represents South Africa when it plays Cape. It doesn't, because a Kaizer Chiefs or a Pirates fan will never be excited like an Mamelodi Sundowns fan once Mamelodi Sundowns wins the Champions League.
Yeah.
So when the team is there, it's there for its own badge, and when that nation is there, it's there for its own flag. Nothing else matters. They are not there as African Union. They are there as Morocco, representing Moroccans. So maskafoni ukuthi sisifake into zabantu. Those guys mean what I feel. I know they don't want to be part of African
Yes.
federation. They should do what Australia did. Australia was part of Oceania, where islands and stuff like that. They requested a transfer from that organization to go play in Asia. Lapho badlala khona nabo Japan. They are now part of that organization. So I think, Mina, it's about time we allow those Arabs through and be granted their wish. They want to be so European that in that process they make African people feel as if they are nothing when it comes to them. If they feel so strongly about not being African, let those guys go and represent another organization, federation, You understand? We shouldn't force ourselves ukuthi sifuna ukuba Moroccans, or by them being Africans they are doing us a favor. It's not a favor. They are Africans who happen to be Arabs.
Okay.
Hey, bayindawo.
No, if
okusalayo ba ama-Africans. Yazi the cousin name. I understand. Yes, they are there, but representing Morocco and everything. But now, makukhulunywa a team from Africa. Remember, ukuthi as much as izoqala ngamakasi, iqala endlini, iphumele ngaphandle, kaslami, then kube siyaqhubeka sakhulu. This is not a competition yase Africa ukuthiwa African are competing amongst each other. No. Same applies to Sundowns. Sundowns mangabe hambi yo performer lapha. They're going to say a South African team, Mamelodi Sundowns. It's a South African team. So whatever achievement abayitholile, yes, it's for Sundowns, but then ibega kuphi South Africa. It's at South Africa ibega kwi map. So same applies to Morocco. Whatever achievement that they're gonna get is uthathe Africa ibega kwi map. So that's what we're talking about currently. Whether bona bafila sengathi ba specially or bona banjani asinandaba nalokho. And even if noma bangathi bafuna ukuhamba abathathe bona themselves bashiya Morocco lapho. We're going to get other people abazoya Morocco. Tina we're going to move to Morocco so by Moroccan esivelwe Africa. So
to your thing, Nim, I get what you're saying, Nim, but that guy, what he meant exactly what we're thinking, all of us. You understand? By him saying we're playing only for Morocco, he's just being diplomatic. He knows he can't just say it we don't represent the African because they are black people. So yes, I get it how you put it. That in a PR part, you understand? Because of us, he can't just go out and say I beg, like, you understand, because we're gonna get a backlash and what, you understand? But that guy, what we made, the context is there. They don't like being associated with black people. Simple as that. Because Africa is dominated by black abantu abamnyama. You understand? Maybe that's why I feel ngathi I don't know.
Are they white?
And also
they feel like. But
they are not black. They are not black.
Are they white though?
Here's the thing with me, no? Here's this whole African continent thing. It's only us who does that. England won the World Cup 1950 something, 1960 something, and they are still referred as the underachieving nation. If France winner a World Cup, the French national team won the World Cup, not a French national team won the World Cup representing Europe. They win it as France. It's for French people. You can never hear what Spain is winning World Cup for Europeans.
But I think
it's
never sidelined, man. That's why I feel like
no.
Because we've been sidelined for so many years.
No, guys, no. We must mixing isn't up. Spain must win a World Cup la South Africa. As we nelanga Europe. Si winele Spain a World Cup.
See, Lubona final go one Europe team, one African team. You will see all the Europeans it's like that. So the thing goes in Europe, they are dominant born. Already competition in Europe it's heavy.
But you should see it from club level. You can never see riding a Feniento, ye Manchester United, ebe supporter Arsenal ukuthi idle PSG ku final UEFA. You will never, like they know, once those people win that thing, it's for Arsenal, ukuthi bazwinele a Champions League. It's not for now the pride of UEFA says England. No, it doesn't go to England, it goes to the team. Arsenal finally broke the tag of winning the Champions League by winele bona.
Yeah, but Takauza, one thing is England is benefiting like we benefiting ukuthi ama-slots aba more ukuya kwi-next like a Champions League. So angeke kuthiwe because of Arsenal winile, Arsenal you're gonna come as defending champion and then take your B team as Arsenal futhi buyi izo participate. So they are benefiting bona but benefiting England with like another slot eslaphaya. So same applies to Morocco if like winner or something like that. The name Africa, it's gonna be there on record. So that's what we are saying. Irrespective of which bona ba celebrate about or ba celebrate nathi or China squatile or so, but Africa as a name, it's gonna be there. So that's what important.
So it's not compulsory ukuthi they should include us. Bona they feel like a standalone. So it's not compulsory ukuthi but as an African nation we carrying the hopes of the whole continent. It's not. They are carrying the hopes of the Moroccans. Iphelela lapho thina yithi esifuna ukuthi basindwe nje ipressure ukuthi ba represent Africa. They are not there for Africa. They are there for
Africa. They win a World Cup. If we win a World Cup, simple as that.
Must host the 2010. Back to World Cup. It's a South Africa. It's a Africa.
The first
African continent country to host the World Cup.
And the whole continent was proud.
But who are the main beneficiaries of
it? It was us beneficiaries.
Exactly.
Yes,
exactly.
I understand that, but Oksalayo, the name Africa was mentioned.
It was supposed to be because as a continent we are hosting for the first time.
It was a continental thing.
So no, it was a South African thing, guys.
No. It was more than a South African thing. It was a continental thing.
It was a South African thing. If it was a continental thing, the continent would have benefited as much as we did with these world-class stadiums that we have. Only us benefited from that.
No, but
no, guys,
tourism-wise, neighboring countries they did benefit. Like Mozambique, but benefited, guys. Come on.
And it was by Uguti Mfunugo.
But because of
no, it's okay. It's okay.
Let's move.
It's okay.
We're moving to
Argentina winning, by the way.
Depending.
Europe.
Yeah, no. Okay, penalty.
Am I angry?
Egypt.
It was 2 fouls in penalty area. None of those fouls was judged. They went to score.
It's written in the stars.
Mara Shiro sathi red card izophuma kule game.
Comments but VAR sponsored by Argentina.
But that's one other thing because of phela manje cabanga ukuthi ama Moroccan mhlamba afuna ukubaleka eAfrica because of afuna ukuyosupport iVAR ngale.
Bheka manje bayenza le VAR. Kasha.
I support wonke umuntu lo.
Yeah. iVAR.
No, I think this time around with Egypt, with Argentina, we always say sometimes, man, they are good teams, man. Argentina is a good team, as much as if you can take it local. They whatever rumors about the Pirates, but they were playing good the whole season, But there is this smaller things.
No, but
I'm not saying I think it's not proven. It's not going to be proven, but also outside. If you can go to my comments, people they were pushing that Argentina could take no man. There's something wrong with this match. Now it means Argentina already going to sign a campaign and Magunjala, how been a proud man,
Kona bangekho proud esibazi.
Yeah, let's move. That's someone to celebrate. Hey, let's move, Musa.
There's this thing, when you say some like king, what do you call this thing as long? Like Moshe Kama Eli Lama Tugana, a Mike Genzani. Yes, we should have that.
Pera, it's not been emotional.
Yes. Akekho emotional uyasilahlekisa.
Kanjani? Ngento obvious.
Okay. Moving on to our second last topic. It's about Haaland and his amazing goal record. So Haaland keeps on scoring goals whenever he played. I don't know if I should read you guys stats Sake from
Molde.
Okay, it's first team, second team, third team, fourth team to Ganja.
Do we have it?
Kuna stats lab.
Yeah.
Kuna stats lab. Check.
Okay, so for I don't have.
Yeah, no. Salzburg 27 games, 29 goals. Dortmund 89 games, 86 goals.
Now I can read.
It's fine. Save that for next week.
Man City 198 games, 162 goals. Norway 54 games, 64 goals. UEFA Champions League 58 games, 57 goals. FIFA World Cup 4 games, 7 goals.
The reason why I added this, guys, sometimes I think we should give flowers where it's due. And I've told you, also, we World Cup now. I think we may no one, but they have to retire because this Nagebona. And there are other guys, man, who are already breaking our records, Bona. Who could? Mbappe, Haaland, these young kids, they've already broken our record. Cristiano Messi, looking at the age. You understand? Right now, Messi, even if I'm leading top scorer World Cup, right? Abe all-time scorer World Cup.
Next World Cup,
Mbappe is gonna break. You understand? Already, Haaland, they are more than 500 goals. Do you get my point? These kids are young. Abu Cristiano Kichimisa 1000 already we are retired right now. You understand? Looking at the age these boys have started breaking these records. Nabo Nile Yabo Cristiano. They are massive. Look at it record Haaland. That record is crazy.
Massive, yo.
That record is super. It's unmatched. That record is crazy. That record for me, like this is amazing, you know. And those are the players that Singakulum Ngabo and by La Payana World Cup as I'm an underdog. You understand? But look at where they are. Look at the boy. I think he feels World Cup actually.
Yeah. Do
you understand? Already Sarah Mecha, Ama goals our Korayo. Definitely my more and how old is he?
25.
25. Yeah, way younger than even Mbappe. It's even worse. Do you get so in some check there like imagine now having more goals than the games you played.
Yeah, for the national team, that's crazy.
For that thing is, I think at some point you got something like 10 goals in a single match. Or for way. You understand? We never had or Cristiano or Messi or whoever ends up for a national team. You understand? So for me, I think we should just give flowers to Mbappe and Haaland and what he did with Brazil. You understand? And that was Aura 2.0. You know, because with him after France, because now he did say for me where we are, I'm happy on my results. Understand? And definitely France is shy and he's dead. But they didn't think the Brazil. I don't think they thought they're gonna come. They're gonna come back alive for Brazil. But one man, and he did it. You know. But with that track record, that's how many goals? That's almost 600 goals, ne?
Close.
Career goals. Yeah. You understand? He still has more season. And Masaka Tele, I handball MLS. I shot 200 goals. I break my record last year.
No, I think it's what I after that game ne Brazil. He looks tired. Very deceptive. In that game, he had 13 touches the whole 90 minutes. He touched the ball 13 times. Haaland. Because he doesn't run unnecessarily. Ancelotti, after the game analysis said what he doesn't run unnecessary for ukuthi abonakala ukuthi ukhona ground. He'll stay there. You'll forget ukuthi ukhona ground.
So why nimsala uMbuthuma?
UMbuthuma. Una magoli engaka uMbuthuma.
Sizothuka wena manje. Waze wamosha topic emnandi. Ngephuthu lakho wamosha nje itopic le. Kwanini ama Pirates angimthanda uMbuthuma?
No, I didn't see that one coming. But yeah, okay. That's the kind of striker he is. He saves his energy. He runs at the right times. He knows which balls to chase. He doesn't chase each and every ball that comes his direction. So I don't know how Gabriel fell for that against Brazil in Norway, because he knows Haaland to go to Jan. If you check that first goal, he uyenze ngathi akekho interested in it. So Masakal attacker ngepace leyana obvious. You know what's going to happen. So I think he knows ukuthi usebenzisa energy yakhe kanjani, and he's very very good at that, and he's still going to score a whole lot of
And I think that's what makes a good striker. You know, because I'm striker, we always argue, and there's a friend of mine, because he likes evident. I'm not taking anything from him, but for me, as a striker, I'm a striker, as far as a star, I'm is to score goals.
Finish it.
Not to assist or assist, we are a striker. You understand? Your job is to score goals, and if you don't score goals, you're not a good striker. Simple as that. You understand? We heard about Drogba, but we didn't come, but we got a strike. They were scoring goals. You understand? So for us, our first we strikers and goals. Understand? But now a striker the whole career, 5 or 3 goals.
Not defensive strikers.
Do you understand? So for me, that's looking at Haaland, no zero skill. As we show sometimes no good came in. You understand? They don't talk man. Tapin also is very good. Tapin as well. You understand? So I'm our Haaland. This is our command. Like some call you understand? But it's always there. He score goals.
He gets the job done.
He gets the job. And
that's the bottom line of the strike.
When he went to Man City, we didn't think he was going to dominate like that when it comes to goals. Most of us, you understand?
Because of how Man City play.
You understand?
We thought he's going to be out of place.
You understand? But the figure still, he did it. So for me, I think So I think now we can start comparing him no Mbappe, because I think there are 2 guys now I think who are hot.
I think
we need to move from Cristiano and Messi now and start looking at the younger ones.
I think this thing it's the effect Ronaldo. All those 2 boys grew up idolizing CR7.
We are true.
So for them, maybe the ambition is to probably reach his level. Understand? So Cristiano has created little monsters in those 2 boys because they by a little net
they do.
So now the legacy Ayake will continue, because those boys they adore the guy, they worship the ground he walks on.
Stumza.
Yeah, ne. Hey, ngazile ukuthi umphathi uzokhuluma ngomahopa, but ke anyway, I think South Africa vele sine problem striker. I think we lacking that thing le ukuthi si understand ukuthi striker into enjani because of the style of play esinaso, ukuthi thina sine play nani, so we expecting ukuthi kumele man iplay lese grounding lisinike le nto leya. That's why you will find even ama leading goal scorer in South Africa, it's normally abantu ababuya ngaphandle like the African players yiba bazoba like ama leading goal scorer
njengamanje Dion.
You see, yabo. So the likes of Abo Slow Poison, Abo Leslie was one of like Abu Haaland, someone was you ukuthi ubhema kabhekane nepali like uyakora. So mina one thing engibhorayo ngelento eyenzakalayo currently ukuthi whoever ovelayo sokuzomela kuthiwe hayi the next Ronaldo,
you know,
Stumza,
you once said something ne ngizama ukuyikhumbula lento, maybe ngizoyikhumbula. It's I think you showed last week in the last episode we mentioned ukuthi it was about Rowan with style of play yakhe. You were like people should not tell us ukuthi mele sidlale kanjani, because that's how we play football. And then
that's how Sundowns play football.
Okay, then no, that's our style of play. Yes, you shouldn't tell Ron ukuthi adlale kanjani because of udlala kanjalo.
Yeah. And then why this time around do you feel like a striker, kule statement oqeda ukusisho, why do you feel like a striker should be someone onjengabo Haaland, like umsebenzi wakhe kubo ukora kuphela, where else we trying ukuchange
Musa security umsebenzi wakho wenzani?
No.
Okay. Let me answer that.
Angithi uyena uyo or upload a different style of play from us or from different teams. But why, when it comes to this position, yes, striker, ingafani like other positions?
But there's no play, they just score goals.
No. This one.
Okay,
Listen.
Musa, stop.
it's-
I'll start so ghost anymore.
No.
I'm just
Wait.
gonna say.
Ngifuna akang understand
No, it's fine, it's fine, mina ngiyaku-understand.
I
You
hear
understand
you.
me?
I hear you.
You
But
don't.
when it comes to a striker, there's nothing to play. They
No,
just score
okay.
goals.
Same as the goalkeeper.
Ghost,
There's nothing for you
ghost,
to play there.
ghost,
Okwakho ukuthi
ghost,
ubambe.
ghost.
But when it comes to Rollman, uyakhahlela simbona ayi part
Because
of.
we're gonna have a problem because of manje ngizoba ne-dialogue no-two.
Uyaphazamisa.
Ngiyathula ke, excuse.
Okay.
Ngiyakuphazamisa.
Okay.
This is what you are saying, ne? uRonwen sithi thina uyi-added advantage eteamini because of he can play. Yabo, like Itumeleng Kuno was a keeper sweeper. So you can allow now uthi even if I have 3 defenders, you can let go of Usibelebele Hambe because of Itumeleng Kuno uzokwazi ukungisiza ukuthi asweep. So now we're talking about strikers. We're saying South Africa asinazi striker. Why we saying that? It's because of ibola lethu Shushan in piano. So I'll enjoy get dribble. So even if when we are there up front, ufuna ukudribula because of ufuna ukufana nobani no Skarangwa bese emidlilini ufuna ukufana. But when you get your Mbesuma, the only thing ayazi ukuthi mangibhekane nepali kumele ngikore. So I'm going back to Leslie Manyathela. Leslie Manyathela was the only striker engikhumbulayo mina ukuthi makabhekane nepali will score. Okay wabo. So we don't have that. And if focus to focus kumele sidlale Shushan in piano. But then when we're going back to these boys abo Mbappe, abo Haaland, bayenza leanto le that is expected of a striker okumele like years. The only problem that I'm having with them is that makaqala kora wakora 3 goals or hat-trick, sesimcompara no Ronaldo, sesimcompara no Messi. Once wangakora and then manje sekawile. So can't we just go back the closer to a moment where Zidane beka go Real Madrid, Figo beka go Barcelona, like each and every team had at least 1 player or 2 ebegu yitara without lento le ukuthi Messi and Ronaldo. Because we even today we're killing these young boys because of we're looking for Messi, we're looking for Ronaldo. Rashford magafika go Manchester United asuka from Ghana 19. They was like, yo, they've got a replacement ka Ronaldo. Why is the mistake? Then kuyaphela ngayo because of you are idolizing someone okukuthi usadlala namanje usaqhubeka usabreak ama record. Like just be yourself, man. Be your Harry Kane or lazy groundini or over offside ibhola maliza agijima because they're playing a different style. It tells us fun labantu laba.
But comparing, I don't think it will ever go away, guys, to compare. Because Ukumbo even before Cristiano, we had Abu Pele and Maradona. Like there's always that generation, you understand? And it took us how many years to see generation?
Let's have that.
So even now, I want to imagine Abu Haaland abaga sneak them they miss Cristiano. But I'm saying no matter what from Bona, definitely gonna get. It will get to that generation where we're gonna have actually we once had these 2 guys, understand? As much as we had Upele, Maradona at some point. That thing it will
And
never go away.
they played in different eras, eh?
Exactly, you understand? That thing the cows it will never go away. You understand? So after Laba by retirement, I'm gonna have another 2. Even if ingabi manje, but they're gonna come and we won't have any choice but to compare them.
Yes.
And yes, when you talk about South Africa not having strikers, I'm surprised even Namanje ukuthi they actually letting the guy go for good this time. There's a sniper lapana ku Pirates abayasibiza ngoMabasa. You know, if you want a typical number 9, Mabasa. You know, that guy, I think the disadvantage abenayo go Orlando Pirates was that maybe they wanted him to be these 2 guys that they have. You understand? And Ispansake Umabasa stay in the box, finish ama attack way to. That's it. Finish and club. That's the striker that we need. It's unfortunate to maybe as South Africans we are phasing out such strikers. We want strikers to be ball players, and Umabasa is not that. Umabasa it's a clinical finisher of ama opportunities in our creator. So maybe if we can go back to having strikers that are employed to score goals, finish and clear. I'm a ball player, so I'm a striker. He's able to link up play. He's able to let Amanyama players into the game. Striker, goal, finish and clear. And Umabasa is that type of a striker.
And also, didn't understand. Remember, we spoke about Umabasa. Why did they prefer Umabasa over Umakhopa Orlando Pirates? Because already Umabasa, I think he had 54 goals, ne? go for Orlando Pirates and he was scoring mama hit trick and everything. But that other guy would get more game time.
I think they were Orlando Pirates wanted to protect a record to Benedict Villagas. I think.
Because why?
Why would you let such a guy go if you don't want to go to a striker? He was close to breaking that. Had he stayed the remainder of the season, he would have broken that record. And
because even after he left, so it means he is a striker.
So but it's like that thing that Dr. Kumalo Kaizer Chiefs, they didn't want Thabo Moki to break his record appearance. He was phased out. They didn't want Unengo Marshall to break that appearance. Dr. Kumalo, they phased him out. So these things, they'll keep on coming up because of it's how they are done. I mean, Nengo Marshall left Kaizer Chiefs and went to go play for Bidvest. I think for the next 2-3 seasons. Had he stayed at Kaizer Chiefs, he was going to break that record that Dr. Kumalo appearances. So there's always going to be those theories that linger behind because of how the team acts in some instances.
Yeah, but Liaga Mabasa Shem and I think now more be able to from the break.
And Manjutso was a midfielder.
And the Chiefs. Utso for the mega break because Usta the Chiefs Utso. But when I Babasa, I break that record because Utso standing at the Chiefs like it and I part the Chiefs. Yeah, but it didn't make sense, well, understand? Because and also look at now we have players of an amateur who EPL who 600 goals. I don't think South Africa will ever get to that point. Whenever, if we're having such strikers, but we no longer must it's for Paul. Do you get my point? Because already that guy was going to, if I'm guy became time sharp, even 100 goals for Orlando Pirates, he was going to do it. Shaulila did it to Sundowns. He scored 100 goals for them, you understand? So, with Bamega Masaka Paul about okay, sharp. But Umabasa was still hot, but we still understand because we spoke about it. Why is it this guy, he's a scoring machine, but he's not getting game time? I prefer the other guy.
I mean, I'm good babuyapi. Young with babuyapi. My lightning changwa ngamathulitha kwezinye indawo. Yashuba. Abanye bawisumejisa kwaphela icarry. So young with babuyapi. Mara like we've been having such things ukuthi omunye ama-cox asala kwalahleka i-cox eli-1 malibuya kasakori. So someone going to go bhakania. But it's fine. I think mina nako nanokuthi sifuna ukumodify kakhulu like ibhola lethu sifuna ukulithatha se idolize certain like teams because if we are check bona bo Cristiano Ronaldo banamagoli amaningi but they were not out and out strikers at the end of the day. So in a role now like lento le idlala because I do feel there was a statement saka Zlatan ngo Messi ukuthi makahamba kwi Barcelona rules because of kumele whatever yenzayo epass uMessi. Yes, so yena nathi ngikwazi ukuthi mina ngingadlalela lentwana lena because of lentwana le ngiyayidribula ngiyenzani but still kumele ngiyipass because of they were creating that. You heard about Etobati, you played with Messi. Actually, no, I did not play with Messi. Messi played with me. So if you don't understand like the statement, also but you actually mean I was something big. Messi so yeah, I know they're gonna say I'm a hater, but qualified.
Thank you so much, guys. I think this was our last topic of the day, the episode. I don't know if you have anything to say in closing, but make sure you don't include.
I'm a cat or a parrot.
Another predictions, Chief. You said Portugal.
I said. Okay. My prediction na my change. No. Obviously, if you go back, I said I hope France is gonna win the. Actually, I said France is gonna win the league, but now I was hoping that Portugal win in 2018 win World Cup. So that was my hope. Benfica. But obviously, Gumba team corner, if France it's still there, Guguti, ngiyacabanga ukuthi izowina league. Sengathi ke iMorocco ngawinele Africa League.
Takauza.
No, my guys are still there.